On summer days at the beach, many sit underneath umbrellas for shade, shielding them from the sun's UV rays. While this type of shadowing may be beneficial, when it comes to UV disinfection, avoiding shadows is essential. Shadowing occurs when an object blocks the UV light from reaching a surface. For instance, the germicidal effects of a UV emitter at one end of a hospital bed won't touch the opposite side, leaving that area susceptible to harmful pathogens. This is a major problem with stationary UV emitters, and getting total room disinfection requires multiple time-consuming instances of manual repositioning. However, an autonomous disinfection robot, like OhmniClean, eliminates shadowing. With its intelligent navigation system, it effortlessly drives itself around obstacles, delivering UV light to every surface in a room. Total room disinfection has never been easier than with OhmniClean, the world's best UVC robot.